Hi, and welcome to this quick tutorial on updating your QR order and pay settings. Firstly, you can select from your chosen service types to eat in and take away. Simply select the relevant options you wish to have enabled for your customers. Next, you can specify your opening hours using the from and to time drop-downs. If you have split service and wish to offer multiple different sets of ordering hours, you can select the add more timings option to add an additional drop-down. This can be applied as many times as required to make sure that all the available service hours are in place. If you wish to delete one of these rows, you can simply click the X icon. You can add any additional notes that be visible to customers when ordering also. Next, if you're offering eat-in services, you can allow the customer to enter how many guests they are ordering for. This is off by default, but you can turn this on if required. You can also download a PNG file of your QR code if you wish to print this and place this on your tables. You can also select the QR layout settings section where you can specify the layout of your menu items when customers are ordering via QR codes. These items can be laid out either line by line or in grid format and with or without images. Just select your chosen option and then press save to return to the previous screen. Once you've customized your full settings, simply click save to update your QR order and pay settings. Thanks for watching.